Alrighty, so I got this Saungyu Bookshelf speaker from Laptop Space. At Laptop Space, they are available on Instagram. They're dealing not just laptops, but gears of all sorts and accessories. When it comes to speakers, I know quite a lot about speakers. Why? I've been into audio engineering for over 36 years, and I can tell you confidently that how good your speakers are says a lot about your music production. It's sort of like a movie, right? No matter how nice the movie is, if the sound is whack, it just doesn't do justice to the movie. So it's the same thing with speakers. You don't want a speaker that sort of like over-exaggerates the sound. You don't want a speaker that is not going to interpret your sound properly. So I do believe that this speaker will sound good. And with that said, this is literally what they say, what's in the box. I mean, have a look at it. It's a box, right? Let's see what's in the box. Somewhere at the back of my mind, I'm hoping that these speakers will be like white and not black. No! I just got my wish. Wow. It's actually white. Oh my goodness. Nothing like a white monitor. Look at that. Wow. Okay. It actually looks bigger than it is in the pack. For some weird reason, I thought it was going to be sitting this way, not the other way. So obviously, it's going to be bigger. Wow, that's nice. Okay, something else in here. Obviously, this has to be the power pack. Good. I actually like the way it's packed. So it comes with this box as well. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, and it has a yellow cone. Oh my goodness, you better sound good. You better sound good. Oh, let me take it up so you guys have a look. Oh, look at that. In fact, let's do this way first. Let me let you guys see from this angle first, right? There you have it. Can you see it? I love that yellow cone. Now let's have a view from the top. Oh, look at that. I have space for you over here. You will sit on top of this monitor, yeah? And that one over there. Okay, so at the back, we have a number of controls. You kidding me? It has a USB slot, has an HDMI slot. So that's pretty interesting. It also has an optical slot. This is interesting. It has the DC power in, it has the speaker out, then it has the RCA conventional white and red cabling there. Then it has the bass, the treble, and the volume. And then on top, you have this forward and back button. What this is for, I have no clue. The way I'm going to actually be using the monitor though, it's going to be a reference monitor for me. So I don't think I'm going to need some of that control. Oh, interesting. Apparently on the second one, all he has is speaker in here. Good. So this is the RCA. These are the RCA cables. Okay, it comes with a power pack. Ah, nice. It comes with So with the remote control, it has movie, music, and dialogue in there. RCA, USB, ARC, quite some interesting stuff in there. It has a USB to USB cable. I have no clue what that's going to be used for. And obviously this is the, what's it called again? This is the optical cable. And it also comes with a quick start guide. All right, with that, I think we're safe to actually give it a test. Wow. Like, guys, I have just listened to these monitors, right? It's called Saungyu Bookshelf Speaker. Why the flip would I call this a bookshelf? I mean, look, okay, let me make life easy, right? Let me put on my Osmo. Good. Now let me record this just so you guys can see what I'm saying. Good. Now, what I have done is I have connected 2 of my microphones to the speakers in themselves. So I'm using my Osmo right now. So you see exactly what my setup is. So I have one on the right and I have one also on the left, because that's the only way you guys can actually hear what I'm hearing. Now I'm going to play music directly from my phone. Now what this speaker actually does, it has multiple connections. First and foremost, you can do Bluetooth, you can connect it to your television. It does optical, it does ARC, like connecting your TV directly to this, so you can actually hear the sound. And it does RCA, which is like the conventional, those funny looking cables that are connected at the back already. I want you guys to hear exactly what I'm hearing. I'm going to do less talking here. So I'm going to play one of my songs here on Spotify so you guys just hear it. Here we go.
I was born to rule, I was born to reign. Royalty runs in my blood and veins. I am a son of the bright and morning star. I call him Jehovah. If you wanna be contesting me, you better be thinking about the consequences. For greater is he that dwells in me. If you don't believe, come taste and see. Anything can happen, no, when I'm on fire. Anything is possible when I'm on fire. Don't say I never told you so. When I'm on fire, anything can.
This is ridiculous, right? I know. I'm sure you're wondering, how come your sound is that clean? I've been doing this stuff for 36 years, right? So when it comes to audio, I consider myself one of those on the higher echelon. Why? I perfected it. Just look at my monitors here, right? I have, let me do this. I need to record so you guys can see this. So I have the Fostex PM1 Actives. These monitors are sick. They've stopped making them. They don't make them anymore. It's a classic. Next to it, you have the event monitors. And next to that, you have the marquee. If you're into audio engineering, then you would immediately recognize it by looking at the logo, right? So I have 3 sets of fantastic monitors with a subwoofer hiding underneath my desk. Now, I want you to just have a look at this, right? I'm using my Osmo so you can see it. See how small it is in relation to the rest of the other speakers, right? Let me stop my recording. This should not be called a speaker. It should be called a monitor. Why? It practically sounds the same as my monitors here. Why would anybody want to call this a bookshelf speaker? It's wrong. No. Saungyu, you guys need to rebrand again. This man. You know what? Let's play one more. Let me go to, I think, Israel Houghton. I was playing one of his songs just now. Nah. This is just wrong. It's just wrong. Israel, where are you? Let me type it out. Res Power, yeah, Res. There you go.
Put your hands together, come on. Oh, clap your hands, all ye people, and shout unto God with the voice of triumph. With the voice of triumph. You are the everlasting God.
Tell me this does not sound good. How on earth does this not? I actually don't even know how much it goes for. But guys, if you're into movies, if you're into soundtracks, if you're a musician, if you're a singer, or you just love good sound, right? You want to watch a movie and you want to hear exactly how the movie sounds, not all those whack, hi-fi speakers. This Saungyu Bookshelf speaker, this is the way to go, man. I don't even need anybody's opinion. I don't even care what you have to say, right? I've heard it. My ears are tuned and trained. I can testify that these speakers are just something else. And then they are white. Look at everything I have. Everything I have is black. It just stands out as white. Crazy, man. I love it. Okay, guys, that's all for this review right now. I just want to listen. I want to play some more stuff. So, I mean, if I were you, I'd just go and lay my hands on this stuff. It's from Laptop Space. They're available on Instagram. I think on the side, yeah, you see, I sort of like took a screenshot of that stuff so you can actually see it on the side. This stuff is good. It's good. Bye, guys. That's it. I'm done. Woo!